Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop and welcome to our Tuesday short videos. Today we're gonna talk about this minimalistic gear extension, and actually I have two here because ever since I have released the video about installation and what this is all about as a success story, there are a lot of orders, but actually when I have released the video, we have had only something or the option that was with the moving lever. There was a lot of questions to bring also fixed lever, so I'll tell you what's the difference so you can make a better decision. Guys, first 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit around, straight to the point. Now enough of this, let's get started. Now just tiny bit of story, and why I have the towel here or rag is just because I want you, there is a contrast so you can see it better on the video. Why I think it's successful is because either you have only few options, and we have hit the market that there is nothing on the market like that. Because what you have those extensions here, only that, you know, it's a little bit like wider, but still you need to lean forwards, which is kind of annoying. Or you have jockey shifters. I love jockey shifters. I have jockey shifters on my RYKERs, so that's fine. But this one, it's kind of something like a jockey shifter, so you don't have to really lean forwards, but it has its minimalistic look. That's the reason why we call it minimalistic gear extension, I think I have called it, something like that. Now, and I don't know anyone who is telling good things and bad things about their product. I'm different. Anyway, so what it's actually one downside of it, comparing to Jockey Shifter is more massive, and because of the physics, you can easier manipulate forwards and backwards. But the price is it's bigger, it's more massive, it's more visible on the bike. This is minimalistic, and yes, it's tiny bit harder to manipulate around because the physics, you know how the extended arm works. That's the logic there. Now. So how it works, you just move forwards, backwards, backwards, it's there, all right? So what is really the difference between moving lever, because both of them will be moving, this one and this one as well. Well, this one has, come with me closer. So the moving lever, by its name, it's moving. So of course, both of them are moving, even the fixed one, but this one moves and as a knob, all right? So, of course, when you push, it stays there, but when I pull it, it like moves here, and it's possible to rotate it to any direction. So what I like to say is like it's basically copying your movement, all right? So the fixed lever, well, basically it's the same. It looks the same. The only thing is when you pull it, it doesn't move, and once you do the installation, and I showed you the installation, it's about like 2 minutes, you tied it, and the way that you tied it, it will stay on your bike, all right? So highly hypothetically, of course I'm too lazy to switch it to fixed lever, but if I have it like this, it will always be in this angle, all right? So like I'm pulling now, okay? So it will be always like this, or I can rotate it and fix it like this, and it will never move, but you need to have this fixed lever option, okay? So try to imagine this is the fixed lever option. I tied the screw and it's not moving at all, and always I will have it in this angle on my bike. I mean, it's no rocket science. I just wanted to be clear because there have been a lot of questions about this. So again, the difference is this lever, the moving lever, the knob will always move when you pull it. This one, as you install it on your bike, you can rotate it anyhow you like, okay? 360 angle. Once you're done, you fix it, and that's how it stays, all right? So, yeah, I mean, it's quite fair and square and simple and quite obvious what it does. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Only MartinTheVlogger.com/shop sells these minimalistic gear extensions at the moment. I'm pretty sure somebody will go and copy us. That's the life. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, buy yourself gear extensions, jockey shifters, whatever, but always have fun. And visit MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog about Can-Am on road vehicles.